IKEA. Join us today. See you inside. Bye. Our car is covered with, oh my god, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Our car is covered with ashes.
You better wash out.
You better not cry. Alright, so we're in IKEA right now. In the news that there's a brush fire, big brush fire, right by Crystal Mountain. Close to our house. It's about an hour and 30 minutes away. That's why our car was covered with ashes.
Welcome to IKEA!
This is their entrance and their reading area right there. Wait, where are we going?
Showroom.
Showroom is downstairs, right? Yeah, right there.
Let's marketplace.
Oh yeah? Look at this big old elevator.
Put a car in here.
Really? It will fit? Oh yeah, it's like 2. Look how wide is it? Look how wide. Oh my gosh.
Good night.
Alright, and then this door opens. Just kidding!
Yeah, it is.
No!
It is. Like, she's thinking about like one car.
I don't think so.
Oh, we are here at IKEA showroom. I will show you.
Cute.
Yes, it is very nice. It's nice.
Look.
It's a bunga.
Chairs and table displays.
The real deal marketplace.
Alright, these are all what we got today. Start to load. Okay. Hello. We are done at IKEA. And we were here for about 2 hours because we got here almost 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. Yep, it's about 4:40 right now. And right now I'm hungry, so I told Ian I'm craving for Habit Burger and some milkshake. Sorry, I forgot to turn it on.
I know, right?
You asked me to turn it on, but I forgot.
It's so hot.
Look, my baon is hot now. Look, I made baon for myself. Wow! I remember this time last year we were in the Washington State Fair and we're still wearing jacket. Right now, it's hot over here. Like the highest it went was 95, if I'm not mistaken. There's a camera that you could actually use. He's trying to back up, but he's not using the camera. Come on. Right there. Make your life easy, okay?
That's only for beginners.
Excuse me!
Can I go exit on the left?
Yeah, you can. Bye, IKEA! Bye, IKEA. It's really smoky outside. You can't see the sun right there. It got covered with smoke. It's been so hot. But what I'm excited about is fall. Fall. I'm excited for fall. I don't know.
Fall is in Hawaii. Fall step.
Wale. Wale. Hoy, go already.
You're the driver? Tattoo.
See you later. Bye. So we are here at the Habit Burger and waiting for our food. So right here, here's our buzzer. as soon as this lights up, we're gonna get our food. So we ordered a char grill. I don't know, char burger. I don't know how to call it. We'll show you how it looks like later on.
I have like a cold sore or something.
Alexa, turn on the standing lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, good morning.
Mashpo. That's Klingon for good morning. Although it's not an exact translation, since Klingons have no time for pleasantries. If you'd like to celebrate the 51st anniversary of Star Trek, ask me to speak Klingon, and I'll teach you some more phrases.
Alexa, speak Klingon. Anyway, so right here I'm editing and almost finished. It's all by myself right now. So kind of like show this thing right here. We bought that from Ikea. Those two chairs because I'm sick and tired of those chairs. This we bought previous year. Just a storage and it's like broken already. And the problem why we bought that one is over here. It shows some scratches from the floor, wood floor of that black storage chair or something. So we bought this thing right here. And so previous day I installed that. Oh, my face right there. Mirror, accent mirror, because audio wants some mirror. So that one, I installed that one. And over here I installed a curtain over there. So just, you know, just get something blah blah blah. Right here is our bedroom. So instead of putting a nightstand, we put like a floating shelves. That's from Ikea. That's my idea, but I kind of like don't like it. What do you think, guys? So I could put picture frame. We put electric fan because it's summer here. It's super hot. But anyway, so that's what's happening right now. So